Time now for Mark's Money Moment with Mark Lamkin from Lamkin Wealth Management. And today we are talking about some of the best deals that you can find in town. Right? Money deals.
This was the
banking deals.
Yes, banking deal. We're going to talk about mortgages, home equity, savings, checkings. What are the best deals in town?
Okay.
Claudia, let me tell you, this was the hardest segment.
It's hard to get this stuff, right?
The hardest ever, because if you call a bank online or via telephone, they're not going to give you any information. They want you to come in and fill out a profile and save it for their clients. So I literally had to pay my operations managers a little bit of cash, a little bit of gas money, and go around the banks just for you to find the best deals in town. So you want to start with mortgages?
Let's start with mortgages.
Okay. Republic Bank right now.
Okay.
One of my favorite banks for mortgages. They do in-house decision making, and this is why I like it. You can get 6 to 6.5% mortgages based on your credit scores. The national average is about 7% right now. But here's why I love Republic Bank. Low closing cost. One time, they will allow you to lower those rates. So if rates start going down the next year to 2 years, like I think they will after this year, you can lock that rate at a lower rate one time for a very small fee. And that's the only mortgage I found in town to do that. Their home equity product, also, only 3.99%, which is extremely, that's below prime. The prime rate's 4.75, so 6 months at 3.99%. And then it goes to prime rate, which is 4.75, which is lower than a mortgage right now, right?
Yeah.
So those were the two best deals I found on the lending side. Now, checking, if you're saving money.
What about checking?
So checking, the one, if you keep $20,000 or less, right, in your checking, Liberty Financial Credit Union, right around the corner from my bank, a little credit union, 3.45%.
Okay.
That's the highest I found. And if you look at your checking statement at your major banks right now,
not going to get that.
0.25, 0.5, maybe 1. But 3.45% on a checking is really, really good.
Yeah.
The other thing I found on a savings account is River City Bank. River City Bank has 3.5%. They've got a 12-month CD, certificate of deposit, or certificate of disappointment, as I call them.
Yeah.
But they actually have a pretty good one at 4.5%. So knowledge is power, because you can get 2-year treasury bills or 6-month treasury bills, or literally, I have CDs in the 4 to 4.5% range. So if you're going in and talking to your bank, make sure that you understand what the rates are, because you can get those 4 and 5% on guaranteed investments right now, and that's really important. But if you don't know, they're going to offer you 2.5% because they want to make that spread. Bankrate.com, they will give you national averages on mortgages, on refinances, on savings, checkings. And then the last thing that I found, which I thought was pretty cool, is if you're an online bank, if you're a person that doesn't go into the bank, I still like to go into the bank and get my cash, and I'm old school and carry my little cash. But if you're a newer consumer, Chime, C-H-I-M-E.
Heard a lot about them.
They are really good. They've got like 2% checking and savings. They've got $200 automatic overdraft protection. If you've got a little bit challenge on your credit score, they've got a credit boost program that they do automatically for you. They have a 0% interest credit card. Republic River City has a 0% credit card. The best one I found on town, and this is really good, by the way, Capital One has a 0% for 15 months. So if you've got
credit cards.
Yeah, if you own a little bit on a credit card, you can move it to there, 0%. But here's the best part: 1.5% back cash. Anything you buy, 1.5% they pay you back. On hotels and rental cars, they pay you back 5%.
Nice.
So Capital One, those are the best deals in town, and that will make or save you a ton of money.
Saving us money today. To schedule your consult with Mark, just head on over to lamkinwealth.com or call the number on your screen.